After visiting Hunder village, we headed towards DISKIT, which is at a distance of 11 km from Hunder and 114 km from Leh. DISKIT is the headquarters of Nubra subdivision in Leh district, and it houses the famous DISKIT monastery. DISKIT Monastery is a major tourist attraction in the Nubra Valley, not just for its incredible location, but for the 106 feet Maitreya Buddha statue which is located just below the monastery. There we can see the famous DISKIT Monastery on the hilltop, and I don't think so you can see or hear, but people are offering prayers on that road. We are here once again after a span of 3 years, and it's still as beautiful as that day. There, I hope you can see, is the famous DISKIT monastery. Last time we had been there, today we are not going to go over there because we are running short of time. We have to go to Pangong Lake via Shyok, so we have to hurry. During our last visit, we had stopped at this place to take some pics of the reflection of the mountains as there was water over here.